Hey Internet, what's up guys? I found a little glitch, I'm gonna show it to you. Fallout New Vegas.
Come on.
Oops. Let's load that up. Elder Shithead over here. He's supposed to go back to his commander quarters so I can talk to him. There you go, right there.
What I wish to discuss with you can wait for once I get settled in the command room outside.
But I pickpocketed him and stole his key card and replaced it with duct tape, and now he doesn't want to move. So, I'll show you his key card real quick. Where is it? Older shithead's key card. And I would drop it or give it back to him, but I can't remove this quest item from... It's not really a quest item, but I can't remove it and give it back to him. So yeah, I'm kind of stuck. And I'm probably just going to blow up the building. And I do have a couple mods running, but I don't think that has anything to do with it. So you notice I have more than one companion here, just hanging out. But yeah, he does not want to do anything.
What I wish to discuss with you can wait for once I get settled in the command room outside. What I wish to discuss with you can wait for once I get settled in the command room outside. What I wish to discuss with you can wait for once I get settled in the command room outside.
Engaging.
Take that, elder shithead. Yeah, I'm elder shithead.
Not even slowing it.
Alright, that's about it, Internet. Peace out.